Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to delete a passkey from your Google account in 2025. If you're cleaning up old devices or just want to manage your account security, this step-by-step tutorial will make it super simple. Let's jump right in. First is open your Google Chrome. Next is click your profile and click Manage your Google account. In your account, click Security. In the Security, find the passkeys and security keys, click it. You need to fill up some details needed before you will access the passkey. Now here, click the passkey you want to delete. You will see the X sign, click it to delete the passkey. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a passkey from your Google account in 2025. Quick and easy. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.